cliche man, pero ito talaga yung love at first sight. When I saw the unit, I saw myself living on it. I was walking in Robinson's Galleria. And there's this person, nag-hand out lang siya ng flyer. Tapos siguro after ilang buwan, after 5 months, tinawagan ko siya. Sabi ko, gusto ko talaga sa Mandaluyong. And then there's Axis. So, sentro siya ng Ortigas, ng Makati, ng BGC. So, parang in terms of convenience, sobrang nakatulong sa akin na nag-stay na ako dito sa Mandaluyong. Kaya ako nagkaroon ng time na mag-food content. So, parang na-maximize ko yung time na na-save ko commuting and driving in the traffic for me to do other things, which is food creation. Kaya sa akin, nung nakita ko yung kitchen dito, my gosh, granite yung tabletop ko. Ang gusto ko talagang gawa ng content are those people like me. Living in condo, I needed to create a content for people like me. Na konti lang ang time. Para naman makakain sila, hindi lang basta sa labas, but also makakain sila at home. Kasi iba yung eating at the comfort of your home. I realized na I'm really doing it out of my passion. About food, about the knowledge of cooking that I had with my mom. So sobrang sa akin on a personal level, sobrang tuwa. Nung nag-viewing kami, this was 2017 ha. Sabi ko sa mom ko, Ma, diyan ka magsi-60th birthday. On my mom's 60th birthday, dito namin sinelebrate sa function room ng Axis. So I invited from friends and family. And they went here just to celebrate my mom's 60th birthday. Nag-set up kami ng stage, merong sound system, nagpa-cater kami. And alam mo, sobrang na-appreciate ko nung time na yun. Sobrang hindi ako nahirapan sa pag-coordinate sa property. In terms of mga ipapasok na gamit, mga taong papapasukin, mga food na papapasukin, sobrang convenient. Kaya feeling ko, yung mga ganong simple things, tingin ko pinag-isipan yun eh. Hindi yun basta-basta lang nagkaroon ng function room dyan. Pero there's a reason behind. When they are establishing this condo, naisip nila na, naku, maglagay tayo ng function room. Doon gagawa ng memories yung mga residents nila. Convenience and on a personal level, malaki yung naiambag sa akin in terms of memories nitong condo na to. Kailangan mo ng convenience eh. Kumbaga, when you choose a home, kailangan yung swak sa lifestyle mo. Meron kang pool, tapos dito sa condo meron kang gym. Hindi mo na hahanapin yung ibang mga bagay outside because they got it all here. When I decided na kunin to, nakita ko yung sarili ko na titira dito. I saw myself na dito ako mag-BS kapag pasok ako. You know what? Because this is my investment. This will be my forever home. I mean, who knows, di ba? Baka in the future, parentahan ko siya or ipagamit ko siya sa pamangking ko or whoever. But nevertheless, since this is mine and this is my investment, this will forever be my home.